guys, it's Chris from GB Cars, and today we're going to be doing an install. We're going to be installing a dash cam. I know for security reasons most persons might need a dash cam because today there's so much things happening on the road that you need a dash cam to prevent yourself from. Sometimes if the police is there and you want to keep record of what is happening, or just in case somebody hits your car, you just want to know who so you can get that license plate or any other details you can need to find that person. But this is the dash cam that we're going to be installing. I'm going to show you exactly what comes in the box. Alright, so in the box we have the wiring loom for the rear cam, which I'm going to show you how to install later. We have the actual dash cam, and this is a nice version. It says 4K right here. And it has, the beauty about this one is it can record inside of the car, and it has a monitor that you can see outside of the car. That's the outside camera, HD 4K, nice camera. It also has an installation mounting with double-sided tape to mount on your dash cam, so that's kind of useful to use. And it also has the connection to your 12-volt supply in your car, so you can actually get some source from it. You could also hardwire it, but for this installation I'm going to just use the 12-volt supply in the car. So we're going to be running it in the front of the car here and over here, which we have tons of space along the crescent down and straight underneath the dashboard to come right back here. So I'm going to show you how to do the install right now. Alright, so it is working. You're going to be needing a memory for this car, and you install the memory right there on the side. I recommend at least a 32 gigabyte memory slot to install there. That's where you do the install. So the first thing we're going to remove is this protective tape here. We have a beautiful display right here, as you can see. Excellent. And it's already recording, as you can see. So this thing is set to record immediately once the vehicle is running. Excellent. And we're seeing both inside of the vehicle and outside at the same time. Brilliant. Alright, let's continue the install. Okay, so I found a nice spot right here. I was kind of undecided of where to install this dash cam. I was thinking of putting it here, but because this car has another mount that is held in on top there, I wouldn't want it to be in the same location. So it's kind of held in right there, so I wouldn't want it to be in the same location. And I didn't want to put it over the left side, that will be in the driver's view. So I put it right here. So now we're going to run the cables. Alright, so we're going to be running the cables up top here, and there's tons of space beyond there to run it. I'm going to run it straight along and carry it down to the 12-volt outlet. So let's start that. And so I'm going to be using one hand to get this thing done. Let's see if I can get it done. I have to buy that fly just now. So it's in place. Mount by the camera in place, and has an adjuster right here that you can use to adjust it as we go along. Carry down the pillar right here. Okay, so when you reach to this section, don't be afraid to put your hands in this corner here. And you just want to tuck the cable behind this, and then we're going to run it down this side here along the pillar coming down. Alright, so okay, just run it along this line. Easy peasy. Guys, any one of you can do this. Very easy install.
two bolts, one there, and one here. And sometimes you may not need to remove these because it can be tucked in, but I want to put it installed, so I'm going to remove these now.
Alright, so I have run my install along the line here. This will be placed further in, or even a cleaner install, but I'm kind of okay with what I have here. Okay, as I said before, you could tuck it even further in for a cleaner install, and then you just plug it in right here. Okay, let's test it. And I've removed the tape from the front because there was a tape on the front. Just remember to remove that so it's not recording there. So it is recording, as you see right there. It is recording. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the rear camera. Now for the rear camera, it is going to need a source. Clean install so far. Just gonna carry it behind here, and we're gonna do the same. We're going straight back. Now we'll find an excellent spot to mount the rear camera, and just to avoid any vibration, we're gonna put this between the points to screw on to that point on the car. Alright, let's do that now. That's a train coming. Install at the back. Okay. What I did, I seamlessly ran it through, connect it right there, and took the line right off that rear lamp. So that's how I got the line right there. Could be a neater install, but